to create a website. Somebody came with a question of, okay, if I'm done creating my website, for instance, this e-commerce landing page where people come to buy my product, if they place an order, if they've submitted the form, how do I get a notification? How do I get the message that somebody placed an order? So now I said you should, since you are just starting small, it's a small business, you are creating for a small business, you cannot afford to buy a domain. I already told you that if you want to buy a domain, you go to godaddy.com. Godaddy.com, and there are some other places where you can buy domain. I'm just giving you one sample. You can check ChatGPT for other sites that you can get cheap domains. So now this is it. Go to Netlify form. Netlify forms. You can see Netlify forms. You can see Netlify forms. So when you go to Netlify forms, you see this first one. When you click on it, it will take you to the website. So this is the website. This is the interface. So you can see setup. Under setup here, you can see form setup. They wrote a lot of things here. You can read. If you want to learn more about it, you can read all these ones. So but what is important is just scroll down here. See the page here. You can see this code here. You can see form with data netlify attribute. Form with netlify attribute. Just click on this one. Form with data netlify attribute. Then you keep on copy. You can see copied. It has copied. Then you go back to your website. That's on Figma. You can see this is my website. Let me show you the website I created. This is a real website I created on. This website is, I can you see, a very beautiful website. It's an e-commerce website. This is a company that sells products, eye products. So let me just use this opportunity again to advertise this. If you're having sight problem, maybe your eyes, there's always water when you are not crying, but there's always water gushing out of your eye, or your eye is reddish, or you feel pain or anything in your eyes. As long as it's related to eyes, this drug is perfect for you. So this is a herbal mixture. This is a herbal drug, 100% natural herbs, NAFDAC registered, NAFDAC approved. So it is safe. We have it in two. We have it in capsule, and we have it in you also have the eye drop. You have the capsule you use and the eye drop you use with it. So if you need one, you can always contact me to get one, or if you know somebody, you can always refer. So this is a website where you can go and order them. So the price is 17,000 naira. The price is 17,000 naira. So secure your. So now let me just show you the website. I'm coming. You can see these are the pictures of the drug. These are the pictures. You can see this beautiful website. These are the images. So there are more than this, so I just decided to put only 3 images. I can include more images if I want, but this is enough for a customer review. You can see the review from people from Lagos, people from Abuja. Different people have been buying from the product, so you too you can buy from the product. This will help your eye. If you are that type that used to press phone for a very long time, the screen light and all that, or you used to press computer for a very long time, don't wait until your eyes start having issues. You can buy this just to use it. Prevention is better than cure. It also serves as a prevention medicine apart from the cure. You can also use it to prevent any eyes problem. So back to our lesson. So you can always contact me for your orders anyways. So now, what did I say? You have copied the code from Netlify docs. That's Netlify forms. So you now come back to your design. You see here, you are going to paste it. All you just need to is copy and you paste, uh, you control V or command V, depending on the laptop you are using. Just paste it here. Can you see mine? Can you see I've pasted mine here? This is where I pasted it. So now it started working on it, reasoning. So now can you see the end now? Your form is correctly implemented. The version I added follows Netlify's React specific requirement, which differs slightly from static. So now Wait, I'm coming. Your current implementation. So now let me see the final result. Okay, now next step, deploy to Netlify and configure email notification in sites. So deploy to Netlify and configure email notification in site settings forms notification to receive orders at tafamedia01@gmail.com. The implementation is complete and correct for your. So now this is done now. Can you see now? This is done now. Now that means if I place any order here now, it will go to my email. Now let me publish now. This is the website. I've published it before, but I unpublish it because of this tutorial. So now I want to publish it again. When I publish this site now, it means it will go to live. Once I publish this site, it means what? It's going to go to live. So I will send you the link now. You can place your order from the website if you need the drug, or you can message me directly. You can send me an inbox for the drug. The price is 17,000, but if you are buying from me directly, if you are a member of this tutorial, I can sell for you for 13,000, 14,000. Yes, let's leave it at 14,000. So 3,000 naira discount. So can you see now? And you are live. This website is live now. So now go to web. So now I want to go and check. I want to go to the website now to see how it's going to be. So now, can you see now the website is live, just like that. Can you see this? Very beautiful. Can you see the website now? So now let me place another. I want to place another. Let me put a phone number. Let me put an address. How many packs am I buying? I'm buying 3 packs. I've forgotten my promo code. There's one promo code I wrote here. I've forgotten it. It's like this. Tafa Media. Is this Tafa Media 01 or something? I don't remember. I don't remember the promo code. I'm going to need to check the file again to remember the promo code. Just place order. Can you see? Thank you for your order. So the order has been sent to my email. So that is how to do this.